SkipperBud's Yacht Center in Sturgeon Bay, taking you through the 2017 Cruisers Yachts 238 Sport Series. This boat shown in beautiful navy blue with a white boat stripe. Starting at the stern, you'll notice the oversized swim platform. You'll also notice that it tapers on the corner. That allows, if you're going to pull away from the dock, make sure you don't clip the dock on your way out. But giant swim platform with a ski tow for your water sports. You also see there's a swim ladder underneath here and an onboard charger. Keep the batteries fresh. Fuel fill at the stern. All the cleats on board are pop-up cleats. You'll also notice dedicated walk-through entry without the need to step onto the furniture to board the boat. Only 110 engine hours on the Mercury 4.5 liter 250 horse. You'll also notice the seagrass snap-in flooring, all in great condition throughout. Very nice on the feet. Teak table. Onboard space to keep your beverages cold. Also have an integrated Garmin GPS depth finder. 2 adjustable captain's chairs on port and starboard with the flip-up bolster to get a better view if you're docking. It does have USB auxiliary input for your kicker audio. Only 110 engine hours, as I said, so light usage. Do have a head compartment with dockside pump out and a small sink with a water tank on board. This boat is located here in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Please call ahead to schedule your showing. Love to tell you more about the boat.